Meet the DWARF Mini, the literal pocket rocket of smart telescopes. Straight out of the box, you're greeted with a premium build and essential accessories, a USB-C cable, a cleaning cloth, and a crucial ND solar filter for daytime captures. Under the hood, the Mini packs a 30mm aperture and a 150mm focal length. It uses the Sony IMX662 sensor, and while it's 2 megapixels, those pixels are large and light-hungry, specifically optimized for deep sky sensitivity. Compared to its big brother, the DWARF 3, the Mini is a lean astro specialist. While the DWARF 3 offers a 35mm lens and 4K resolution for birding and lunar detail, the Mini is lighter and more portable, boasting a signal-to-noise ratio that punches way above its weight. To keep it steady, the included tripod is a standout. It's a piece of excellent manufacture, incredibly sturdy and rock-solid.